Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to create the backup on this device using iTunes. So to create the local iTunes backup, you just need to have the USB-C cable and Windows device. You need to download the iTunes from the official Apple website. The latest version of the iTunes was performed in 2020, but when you will download and install it and log in into your Apple ID, so iTunes will ask you about an update, and then you will need to update your iTunes, reboot your PC, and then connect via USB-C cable your smartphone to your PC. And then just open iTunes. And iPhone software is available, so cancel, not now. Click on your iPhone icon on the left side of your iTunes interface. So here, between music and library, you will see the iPhone icon. Click on it. And as you can see, backing up. So my iPhone is backing up right now. But if your iPhone will not back up automatically, you will just need to click on the backup now button. So I'll show you it right now. So you will just need to click this computer if you want to back up not to the iCloud, because if you want to create the backup in the iCloud, you can do it using iPhone settings. But to create the local backup, click this computer and click backup now. You can encrypt local backup if you want. Let's click backup now, wait a while. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.